Hello, I'm Helena from Electrolux, and in this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to replace a door seal on an Electrolux dishwasher. Now, door seals can become perished over time, so if you find that your machine's leaking water from the front, then it could be time for you to replace the seal. Now, before you do that, you need to make sure that you get the correct seal for your particular model. And in order to do that, you're going to need to know your dishwasher's product number. Your product number can be found on your rating plate, and on a dishwasher, rating plate can usually be found just around the outside of the door. Your product number is always between 9 and 11 digits long, and it's different from your model number. So, I've removed the top and bottom basket, and I'm just going to start by pulling out the old seal. It should come out fairly easily. You may find that the cavity's a little dirty. If it is, just give it a wipe round with some mild detergent. Mine's absolutely fine though, so I'm just going to go ahead and fit the new seal. But before I do, I just need to make sure that I put it in the right way round. If you have a look at the seal, you'll notice that there's a flat edge. This bit needs to be facing out from the dishwasher. There's also a little point. This needs to be pointing into the centre of the dishwasher. So you've got the flat bit facing forward and the point facing in. So you simply start by popping it back in, leaving a little bit at the end to make sure that it's properly sealed. As you pop it in, do make sure that it's nice and snug. Especially around the corners, just tuck it in nice and tightly. Now, when you get to the end, you may find that there's a little bit of seal left over, but don't worry, just take a pair of scissors and give it a snip. So there, it's as easy as that. Door seals for most models of Electrolux dishwasher are available on the Electrolux website. Thanks for watching.